practical session, maybe I can show you some of the study. Hopefully, when you have got to get a picture paper, something like this. Remember the first time we did the experiment? Okay, our practical, I asked you to find a paper related to purification and characterization. Download a paper for each of you, different papers, and then what you did for the beginning, you just yeah, while waiting for the question, you can while waiting for the question, I will explain a little bit, but you can type the question in the chat room. Okay. So what you did last time, you just grab a paper and then after that you uh, get the information about the paper, like what kind of enzyme, because I asked you to get the enzyme. Now it makes sense why I asked you to get an enzyme, because only enzyme will give you like activity, unit per mil activity, rate of reaction in unit per mil. Okay. Otherwise, if you grab a protein, yeah, we cannot calculate for the specific activity. We cannot calculate for the the yield and everything after that, because we have used only the protein, not the enzyme. Okay, so now if you have this kind of for example, if you have this paper last time, I don't know either one of you has taken about this paper or not. Okay, so this is quite old paper. It was in the last 15 years, 2005. So this paper, when you read now, I hope it makes sense to you, not like the first time when you got your paper. So can anyone give me percentage of your understanding towards your own paper that you have downloaded last time during our first meeting? Can you give me some idea how much percentage of your understanding? I mean, the level of understanding from the first time you downloaded the paper, on the first time, and then now, maybe from 10% to 100%. Yeah, it was early semester. Yeah, so you just have a look at that paper. So hopefully that paper, it makes sense to you, because we have gone through this course, except we want to just have some revision after this. Okay. So yeah, you can share with me the answer, how many, yeah, you can have a look at the paper again. Okay, I know it was like before the break, long break and everything. I think that paper maybe just, I don't know, being locked down too, from being read by you, maybe. Yeah. So um so just have a look at the paper again, we can discuss. Okay, nak become belacan. Okay, thank God. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay. So now we can have a look at this paper entitled Characterization of Thermostable lipase from Thermophilic Bacillus species strain TW1. Okay, so the title is obviously about an enzyme, and then it's also thermostable lipase. Okay, so what happened by looking at the abstract itself, by looking at the abstract here, we can see that, okay, it is a thermostable from Geobacillus bacteria, and then you can see here the optimal temperature is 40 degree, and then the pH, okay, optimal 7 to 8. Okay, active at 90 degree with the pH 7.5. Okay, it was active up. Okay, that means until 90 degree, you can still got some activity. And then the stability over the wide range of pH from 6 to 9. You see, the way it reports about pH is not 1 point, the stability. It reports about range from 6 to 9. Okay. And then it talks about the inhibitors. 1 millimolar of EDTA, beta-mercaptoethanol, sodium diacetyl sulfate, BMSF, or DDT. Okay, as well as the detergent. Okay, detergent 0.1% detergent, which are Twin 20, Chat, Straton X, 100. Okay, so kinetic function enhance the presence of the, okay, this is metal ion. If a metal ion, okay, it shows the high activity when these metal ions are added. Okay, calcium, magnesium, zinc, ferrum, or ferrum 3. Okay, but it was inhibited by copper and manganese and lithium. You see, by having all these, I would say this paper, they have more on the, they reported more about the characteristic of the enzyme. So that by the end of the day, okay, it will get some idea, we will have some idea about this enzyme which can be used for various industrial application. Okay. So, okay. So let's just go for the introduction. You can read, but okay, for the method, it's all about how to cultivate the enzyme, the culture, and then to extract the enzyme, how it was identified, and then the way it is cloned. You can see the cloning host here. And then how to, the way to induce or to express. You see, we have discussed about IPTG last time to induce the expression. When we can get the optimal time for the expression, and then check via SDS, and then you can see the way it was assayed. Okay, crude purification. This is the way how it was purified using ammonium sulfate. Okay, before that, you filter it using the enzyme was filtered using 0.45 micrometer. Yeah, 0.45 micrometer membrane at 4 degree, and then involve ammonium sulfate precipitation here, sorting in and out with 30% saturation, and then certification, assay, and then what we call it, do the suspension in 3CR 7.5, and then everything here about the purification. Okay, so the next part is how to assay and then characterize the enzyme. Okay, and cloning. This is the gene analysis because they want to compare between TW1 versus others, which is also thermostable enzyme, I believe. Okay, they check on they do this using multiple sequence alignment. And then SDS page, we have also gone through the SDS page run. We have done this too. Okay, this enzyme having GST tag. Okay, this is also what we call it, the tag for the enzyme to facilitate in the purification. Okay, after that, the characterization of the recombinant and crude lipase. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to make it bigger. How to make it bigger? No. Okay, this one is the temperature. A is the optimal temperature. B here is the thermostability. You see, it selected one temperature, which is the crude enzyme was the acid temperature ranging blah blah blah. B cultivated incubate at what? I cannot see the. Okay, recombinant evaluated after incubation at various temperatures. Yeah, okay, this is different thing. The way they did, they just, this is also thermostability. Okay, stability, not thermostability, this is stability temperature here. It just select pH 7.5 and then for 15 minutes. Okay, so it select, okay, 40 degree for 15 minutes of incubation. In the buffer 7.5, it was 100%. Okay, because the optimal temperature was at 45 degree. Okay, for the crude. For the recombinant, it was 40 degree. Okay, that means these two enzymes, they are being assayed at different optimal temperature for the stability study. Okay, so here what they did, they have 50 degree, incubate for 15 minutes, residual activity was assayed, and then it just reduced. And then 60 degree for 15 minutes, and then the activity recorded. Okay, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so then you can see that here, after 60 minutes, okay, okay, sorry, after 15 minutes at 60 degree, the activity just, okay, only 35% left at 60 minutes. Okay. If you have that 50 degree for 15 minutes, it's stable. Okay, just have a look. This is the way they interpret the data. They do the data. They create the data. So same goes to this pH stability. They did this experiment pH from pH 4 to pH 12. Yeah. And then they got the optimal at pH 7. And then the recombinant at 7.5. Okay. So same goes for the thermostability. It said that stable from pH 6 to pH 9. Yeah. Because more, even 5, they are still good. Okay, 50%. So 5 until 10, I would say. Okay. So for the detergent, effect of the inhibitor here, EDTA, beta-mercaptoethanol, and everything triple X. Okay, the one with this empty box, this is for the crude. The one with the pattern here, okay, it is from the recombinant. But you can see, you see the highest is PNSF or 280, something like that. That's why one of them can become the 100%. So for the metal ion, also you can see the control without the metal ion. Okay, but once we have seen here, when we have put magnesium chloride here, magnesium chloride 5 millimolar, the activity just exceed more than 100%, which is 286%. It shows that magnesium chloride 5 millimolar can improve the activity of the lipase enzyme here. Okay, so I think, yeah, they compare both crude and recombinant. Okay, and then some discussion, what is the strength of the enzyme, and all of it. Did they share about their purification table? No, they don't share. So that's some not so good, maybe. I don't know. You can read in detail about this paper later on, give your opinion or something. Okay, so any more questions? We can end here. It's almost 5. So don't forget to sign your attendance today. If there is no, okay, no more question or what? No question so far. You need to digest. This thing, yeah, this is the last topic. Toba, we have no more, but there will be some discussion or tutorial, or I mean some Q&A session where we can talk about anything relating this subject, so that it will just be okay for you. Wednesday. Yeah, it won't be that hard. We just want to test the system. Yeah, either it is okay or not. You need to the rule on Tuesday later on. It will be like whoever cannot get the question out, just like other people, you need to type there. I mean, put it notes there. Like I just received the question. My time is only 20 seconds. Others have got like 60 seconds. Mine only 20 seconds due to poor internet connection or something. So we want to test run. How it going to be on Tuesday? Okay, no, there'll be no marks on Tuesday. We just want to test, but it is important to have all of you basically because you will be answering the question during the exam at the same time, right? Yeah. So on that day, we're not really keen about the marks or the questions. We want to know the system. Is that system good for you, or what will be the best for all of us? I believe we have discussed similar time that we have our lecture, right? What do you think? Do you still have class for other groups? I mean, for other students in K1 and K2? Because this week, I think last week was week 13, right? Or this week was week 14. If possible, we want to have everybody one shot so that we know that before we finalize. Okay, this week was maybe week 14. Okay. So maybe some of you still have got class, right? Um, yeah, could you please check if you still have got class? So maybe we cannot do it. Yeah, because I need to upload the exam questions in the Putra Blast or whatever platform which is easier for all of you, all of the, I mean, examination board, something like that. Yeah, they want to have a look at this. Okay, so okay, thank you, Izati. Just get me updated. If not, we shouldn't do on Wednesday. Yeah, because Wednesday is just want to test the system. So you can discuss, get to know all of you because this is week 14, or else we can do it next week whenever all of you available. Okay? So yeah, just make a decision so that we can finalize the date and time. Okay. So hopefully during the daytime, because the exam will be conducted during daytime, right? 2:30 to 4:30, something like that. Yeah. I believe maybe this week still heavy because some of the lecturers still using the Putra Blast for their teaching and learning. So maybe next week, since we're going to be week 15 next week, so we don't have to have this. Okay, so we can have time for tutorial or for discussion, and then the most important thing, time for us to decide what platform we want to use for the final exam. Okay, can we have a really quick photo session and then sign your attendance today? Yinghui, can you snap a few pictures of us?
Okay.
Where are you guys? Are you there sleeping? Hi Marshall, hi Izati. Hi Aisha, Aini, Daniel. Okay, only four of you. The rest gone. Okay, Mushida, Umaira, Advana. No, Advana. No, not Advana. Yeah, Ain, Nabila, Aini, Shuhada. Okay. So yeah, just take a quick picture and then we are okay. Wah, I Nabila. Tunggu solat asar bagusnya. Okay, Imi, then your host also missing from the picture. I'm Farisha. Okay, Fatin. Oh, you lah Fatin. Tengok, kalau macam ni baru nampak. Oh, ini punya Fatin.
Okay, done.
Okay. Imi, are you there?
Yeah, done.
Okay. Done.
Done.
All? How many pages do we have?
4.
Okay. Done for all?
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you guys. Okay, before leaving, could you please fill up the teaching assessment in your Putra Blast? Both for me and Prof Yunus. Okay, just make sure you fill up whatever comments you can just write it there. But the thing is you need to do the teaching assessment. Okay, bye you all. Bye. Don't miss me a lot, otherwise I tak lalu makan.
Thank you,
Bukan kita
Doctor.
makan, I tak lalu
Thank you,
makan.
Doctor.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.